Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. So today I will present our managerial accounting report on D Chocolate, a chocolate manufacturing company. This report focuses on how managerial accounting help the company control production costs, improve efficiency and support better decision making. We analyze three costing methods, which is job order costing, activity based costing, ABC, and also process costing. We also compare the advantage and limitation of each method, which is to determine the most suitable costing system for the chocolate. Lastly, we explain how managerial accounting support pricing, cost control, and overall business performance. Now, let's move on the company background. Let's move to the company background. So basically, this chocolate is a medium-sized company. So this company serves both retail and wholesale market by producing a variety of premium chocolate products. So this organization is led by the CEO and founder, supported by five main departments, which is production, finance and cost accounting, marketing and sale, purchasing and quality control. So this functional structure help ensure smooth business operation. So the production process is begin with sourcing and blending raw material, followed by refining, tempering, molding, packaging, and also finally global distribution. So this continuous manufacturing system help maintain product quality, production efficiency, and also customer satisfaction.
Good day everyone. Today I will present the industry and product analysis of D Chocolate Manufacturing Sdn Berhad. D Chocolate produce a variety of high quality chocolate product including milk chocolate, dark chocolate, almond chocolate, pralines and customized gift box for special occasion such as wedding, birthday and corporate event. The company target individual, consumer, retailer and corporate client. It also uses social media and e-commerce platform to reach more customer and increase sale. The chocolate manufacturing industry is growing due to increasing demand for premium chocolate product. However, the industry faces strong competition, rising production costs, and fluctuating cocoa bean prices. Customer value product quality, taste, attractive packaging, reasonable prices, and reliable delivery service. Therefore, D Chocolate must continuously improve its product and service to maintain customer satisfaction and loyalty.
Job order costing is used to determine the cost of a specific customer order. D Chocolate apply this method to a certain chocolate gift box because each order may require different material and packaging. The total direct material cost is 6,700 ringgit, while direct labor cost is 3,500 ringgit, and manufacturing overhead is 3,000 ringgit. Therefore, the total production cost is 13,200 ringgit. Based on 500 unit produced, the cost per unit is 26 ringgit 40 cent. The costing information helps management set appropriate selling price and evaluate profitability. Next is activity-based costing (ABC). This method allocates overhead costs based on the activity involved in production. For a certain chocolate gift box, the main activities are machine setup, delivery preparation, mixing and processing, packaging, and quality inspection. The activity rates were calculated using the cost pool divided by the total driver units. For example, the machine setup rate is 100 ringgit per setup hour, while the packaging rate is 6 ringgit 25 cents per packaging hour. After allocating overhead costs according to actual activity usage, the total allocated overhead cost is 2,625 ringgit. ABC provide more accurate costing information because costs are assigned based on actual activity performed during production. Process costing is used to monitor production costs across different departments. At D Chocolate, the production process consists of three departments, which is mixing, molding, and packaging. The total cost transfer out from the packaging department is 13,200 ringgit. For equivalent unit calculation, there were 8,000 completed units and 2,000 units in ending work in progress that were 50% complete. This resulted in 9,000 equivalent unit. The cost per equivalent unit is RM1.47. Using this weighted average method, the total manufacturing cost is RM13,200 and the cost per equivalent unit is RM1.60. Overall, process costing helped the chocolate monitor production costs and improve efficiency throughout the manufacturing process.
Moving on to section 5.0, let's perform an anatomical breakdown for our production cost for a single batch of our premium gift boxes. The total production cost for a batch of 100,000 units come to RM13,200. When we break this down into its core component, we see three distinct pillars. First, direct material. This is our largest expense at RM6,700, accounting for over half of our total cost at 50.76%. The primary drive here are high quality cocoa bean 2,500, almond and hazelnut 1,200, and the premium packaging itself 1,000. Next, direct labor. This accounts for RM305,000, which is 26.72% of our budget. This covers the skilled workers involved in chocolate production, the manual packaging process, and our essential quality inspection team. Next, direct labor. This accounts for RM3,500, which is 26.52% of our budget. This covers the skilled workers involved in chocolate production, the manual packaging process, and our essential quality inspection team. Manufacturing overhead at RM3,000, which is 22.72%. This includes fixed and semi-variable costs like factory rent, utility, equipment depreciation, and routine maintenance. By dividing our total cost of RM13,200 by our 500 units output, we arrive at base unit cost of RM26.40 per gift box. Understanding this number is critical as it forms the foundation for our pricing and profitability strategies. Now, let's look at section 6.0, which translates this cost into actionable strategy through our exclusive dashboard. This dashboard focuses on 4 key managerial areas. First, pricing decision. To ensure a sustainable business model, we have set a target profit margin of 30%, which equals RM7.92 in profit per unit. Consequently, our recommended selling price is RM34.32. This price point is designed to ensure profitability while keeping us competitive in the premium market. Cost control. Because direct material represent the heaviest weight class at 50.76% of our cost, they are our primary target for monitoring. We are utilizing activity-based costing ABC data to pinpoint and eliminate non-value-added activities, especially within machine setup and packaging phases. Profit planning. Looking at the big picture, a full 500 unit batch is projected to generate RM17,160 in total revenue. After subtracting our RM13,200 total cost, we are looking at an estimated profit of RM3,960 per batch, which will be invested in our fund capacity planning. Production efficiency. Finally, we track efficiency by monitoring equivalent units. Currently, we are tracking 9,000 equivalent units in packaging at a cost of RM1.47 per unit. This allows management to spot bottleneck in real time to maximize our output while minimizing waste time.
Future business planning, a blueprint for growth. First, let's look at the cost reduction. The business can reduce operating costs by purchasing raw materials in bulk, negotiating better prices with suppliers, and implementing waste reduction initiatives throughout the production process. The expected benefit of this strategy is lower material and inventory holding costs, as well as reduced production losses. This will improve the overall profitability and allow the business to allocate resources more efficiently. Next is market expansion. To grow its customer base, the company can expand into a new geographic markets, including international markets. In addition, the business can introduce corporate gift programs and strengthen its e-commerce presence through digital platforms. The expected outcome is access to new customer segments and more diversified revenue streams. This reduces dependence on existing markets and creates a new opportunities for the long-term business growth. The last one is operational improvement. This involves implementing process automation, utilizing real-time inventory tracking systems, and providing employee training on modern machinery and production technologies. The expected benefit is reduced machine downtime, faster production processes, and more consistent product quality. These improvements will enhance the operational efficiency and customer satisfaction.
I will present about costing method evaluation and justification. For this section, we evaluate 3 costing methods used by D-Chocolate, which are job order costing, activity-based costing, and process costing. Job order costing is suitable for customized product because it calculates the cost for each specific order. However, it can be consuming when production volume is high. Next is process costing. Is suitable for continuous production because it tracks costs through different production stage. However, it less accurate for customized product. Next is activity-based costing. Allocate overhead costs based on actual activities such as machine setup, packaging, quality inspection, and delivery preparation. This method provide more accurate cost information and help management control costs more effectively. Therefore, we conclude that activity-based costing is the most suitable costing method for D-Chocolate because it supports both standard and customized product while providing better cost accuracy and decision-making information. In conclusion, managerial accounting play an important role in helping D-Chocolate manage costs and improve business performance. The 3 costing methods provide useful information for pricing, cost control, profit planning, and production efficiency. Among the 3 methods, activity-based costing is the best choice because it provides the most accurate cost allocation and support better managerial decision. By using the right costing method and continuously improving its operation, D-Chocolate can increase profitability, maintain product quality, and achieve long-term business success.